Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and are taking all precautions because the situation out there is very bad right now. I hope you guys are sanitizing your hands and taking all precautions, and I wish you and your family the best of health during this pandemic. So today I want to talk to you about a problem of the century, which is hair fall and dandruff. You know, there are many reasons for hair fall and dandruff. There could be lack of sleep, not proper nutrition, no proper care, a balanced diet, stress, among others. I love my hair, and to ensure that I don't lose them, I am always on the lookout for products that can have a positive impact on my hair health. So during the search, I stumbled upon M Caffeine's newly launched coffee hair care range on Instagram. So I decided to try it out and share my review with all of you guys. So I got 3 products, and I've been using them for over 3 weeks now, and this is my experience. I also have something very special for you guys, which I will reveal at the end of this video. So keep watching and stay tuned to know more. So first and foremost, let me tell you about the brand. M Caffeine is India's first caffeinated personal hair care brand. All products are clinically and dermatologically tested. They are also FDA approved. The best thing about the brand is that they are vegan, PETA certified and cruelty free. They don't test their products on animals, which makes them great. Their products are gender neutral, which is another quality of M Caffeine. Although everything about M Caffeine is awesome, there is one thing that I love the most. They don't support skin whitening products, and they support confidence over color, which is something very rare, especially in Indian brands. This makes M Caffeine even more likable as a brand than it already is. So let me tell you why coffee for hair. What makes M Caffeine different from others is that they use coffee in almost all of their products. It was also something that got me very excited, as I never knew that coffee could be so beneficial for hair and skin. Because I wanted to buy the coffee hair care range, I researched coffee's efficiency on hair. And believe me, I got to know that coffee is great for hair health as there is caffeine present in it. It also stimulates the roots and improves hair strength. So coffee is actually very beneficial, and it's like a superfood for hair. So now let's reveal what this Naked and Raw Coffee Hair Care has in store for us. It has the Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp and Hair Oil, the Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp Scrub, and the Naked and Raw Coffee Shampoo. I am going to review each one of them, so let's begin. So our first product is the Coffee Scalp and Hair Oil. As you know, oiling is very necessary to make sure that our hair is nourished and healthy. To be very honest, I did ignore the benefits of oiling, but now I am dead serious about it. A chumpy with coffee hair oil and coffee's magical aroma helps me de-stress. I've been using the coffee hair and scalp oil for some time now. So this high quality oil is lightweight and non-sticky, resulting in shiny and healthy hair. I am very happy with its texture, and the coffee aroma is really good. So the first impression of this oil is very good. So now coming to the ingredients. It has coffee oil to strengthen the hair, and coffee also has caffeine which stimulates the roots. It also has redensil for hair growth, and along with argan oil, this oil also moisturizes and nourishes the hair. Argan oil also improves hair health and results in smooth and shiny hair. This coffee hair oil nourishes the hair and scalp while also strengthening the roots. The composition of the oil is bang on. They have used great ingredients, and also the oil is free from mineral oil, which makes it super safe. So I really appreciate it. Now let's just use it.
I just take enough oil, and using my fingertips I apply it all over my hair, ensuring that it reaches the root and scalp as well. I like the spreadability of the oil, and also the fact that it has a relaxing effect. I leave it on for 2 hours, and during that time I continue with other tasks. Overall, the oil is definitely a great product.
So now let's move on to the next product, which is India's first coffee scalp scrub. Yes, you heard that right. The Naked and Raw Coffee Scalp Scrub from M Caffeine is India's first coffee scalp scrub. This is the product that I was the most excited about, because this coffee scalp scrub, introduced by the makers of India's beloved M Caffeine Coffee Body Scrub, which is extremely popular, and I am even more excited about this product. As your skin requires exfoliation, so does your scalp. I think it is revolutionary product as no other brand has focused on scalp care like M-Caffeine Scalp Scrub yet. To be honest, I have never used a scalp scrub before because I didn't think it was necessary, like a lot of us. But while researching about scalp scrub, I realized that we should exfoliate our scalp often. This is because of the accumulation of dead skin, excess oil, and impurities on the scalp. Just a normal wash doesn't really clean it properly, and it can lead to dandruff and other hair issues. Scalp exfoliation is great for the overall health of the hair. Scalp health defines hair health just as soil health defines plant health. Taking care of the scalp is the first step towards healthy hair. This is a basic knowledge that a lot of people miss. Hence, I wanted to mention this. So I got the Coffee Scalp Scrub to try. This is the only hair care product that removes any buildup. Coffee particles are the perfect scrub. Coffee powder and natural AHA that exfoliate and remove dead skin cells and also reduces dandruff. Natural AHA is also ideal for increasing the oxygenation of the scalp. Coffee is also a natural source of caffeine which stimulates the roots, which ultimately promotes hair growth. To ensure that the scalp doesn't get harmed during the exfoliation, the scrub has rosemary which soothes, heals and calms the scalp. So with these amazing ingredients, the M-Caffeine Coffee Scalp Scrub also provides the perfect solution to relieve itchy scalp, especially due to the summer heat and sweat. It also deeply cleanses and also gets rid of excess scalp oil. This is that one product for all of your hair concerns. Without taking care of the scalp, you cannot take care of your hair, and a healthy scalp will always be the first step to limit hair fall as well. So its use is also very simple. I wet my hair and then divide it into different sections. Then I take out the scrub and apply it along these sections, followed by a massage of 2 minutes. After this, I rinse it thoroughly with water. So I have been using the scrub for a while now and I have enjoyed it. It was a very new experience for me as I have never used a scalp scrub before. But after using the M-Caffeine Coffee Scalp Scrub, my scalp health has improved. Every time I use it, it seems like my scalp is breathing freely and is clean. I love the texture and also how well it spreads. Overall, this scrub gets a huge thumbs up. So now on to the last but not the least, the coffee shampoo. This is my favorite of the lot. It has coffee which deeply cleanses the hair and also promotes hair growth. Let me tell you that coffee contains caffeine which stimulates the roots and also controls hair fall. Argan oil and protein completes this perfect blend of hair-loving ingredients. While protein is for nourishment, argan oil, also known as liquid gold, moisturizes, boosts shine and makes hair smooth. When it comes to the application, I love the shampoo a lot because of the froth and how smooth it feels on my hair. So I just wet my hair, take enough shampoo and apply it to my hair. Then I massage it for a couple of minutes. I leave it on for 5 minutes and then rinse thoroughly with water and it's done. I can actually feel the smoothness in my hair. It's really clean as well. So I've been using these products for over 3 weeks now and I can say that these are great products. I love the texture and the aroma as well. I absolutely love the coffee shampoo. One more reason to like this shampoo is that it is sulfate and silicone free, which makes it super safe to use for the hair. So coming to my overall experience with these products, I can say that in 3 weeks that I have used the coffee hair care range, I have seen great results. My dandruff and hair fall have reduced drastically and my hair has improved as well. I would definitely recommend these products to everyone, especially the ones with dandruff and hair fall. And I'm going to continue using these products as well. You know, I'm actually saying this because I have tried so many products, but I rarely find any good ones that impress me. But when it does, I am super thrilled and make them a must in my hair care routine. So I have linked these products in the description below. Please check them out and let me know what you think about the coffee hair care range from M Caffeine. So you've got to use these products for at least 2 to 3 months because this is an ideal time period for any product to show significant improvement. So do give these some time to get the best results, and I am pretty sure that you would also be pleasantly pleased by its results. So now it's time to reveal that one special thing that I told you about. So if you guys want to buy any of these products or any other product from M Caffeine, you can use my coupon code SteffiKingham_15 to avail a flat 15% discount on all M Caffeine products on their website. I am certain that you will like them. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about them. Till then, stay safe, keep sanitizing your hands, take care of yourself and your family members, and you know the drill. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for all the love. I love you.